The first image of Uday Samant taking a letter from Devendra Fadnavis that Eknath Shinde will be taking oath as Deputy Chief Minister. So remember that just about 2 hours to now go for that oath ceremony of Devendra Fadnavis. After 2019, he's set to become the Chief Minister again, and that's the big image on your screen. That's Uday Samant basically visiting Devendra Fadnavis, and Uday Samant is a Shiv Sena leader led by Eknath Shinde. That's why he's taking a letter from Devendra Fadnavis, who's the Chief Minister-elect, that Eknath Shinde will be taking oath as the Chief Minister, because even now, there appeared to be some differences, that there was this lack of clarity coming in from Shinde. In the press conferences where he said, wait and watch, discussions are happening. Was there a certain push that possibly Shinde is not yet ready to become Deputy Chief Minister's position? So that's the image on your screen coming in. And Vidya also joining us live on this. Vidya, so I come to you over this image. Now, we've seen a lot of images in the past 10 days. Another image is surfacing. How should one view it? Can we see this as clarity? Because eventually it does not have Eknath Shinde, so to say. Vidya, if you can hear me, that image has come and looks like that you've been trying to get us constant reactions. I appreciate that. Tell us about this image of Uday Samant with Devendra Fadnavis. What does one make of it? Because there is clarity from him, not from Eknath Shinde yet.
Exactly. That's exactly what, when we had last heard Eknath Shinde speak, he had said that decisions will be taken later.
Correct.
After that, there have been only, people from other people like BJP leaders stating that it will be, he'll be taking oath as Deputy Chief Minister. Shiv Sena leaders are still saying that he should take, oath as Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister. So, of course, everyone else is speaking. And till yesterday, we had seen, except for that one bit of laughter where some jokes were exchanged, he seemed very serious, and that's not his personality. He's generally a very jovial person, but the kind of way he was looking, the way his body posture was, it seemed like it was not very positive. And that's one of the reasons why yesterday it was very important when he said that by evening it will be decided, and whatever Modi and Shah say, that will be followed. Well, he's still hoping that there will be some positive response from the higher-ups in BJP, and precisely for that very reason it was said that he'll be going all the way to the airport to, receive Prime Minister, and then he'll be coming back. So it was that time lapse that they would get together. Probably he might have some conversation with Modi. Those kind of expectations were keeping things alive, but now it does seem like, with Uday Samant now saying that he will take oath. Uday Samant is a very responsible leader of the Shiv Sena, who's also been minister earlier. It is accepted that he might be there might be some truth in what he's saying. But obviously everyone's waiting for Eknath Shinde to come out and say that he is now accepting the position and that things are getting sorted out.
Eventually it will be about that visual at the oath ceremony in Azad Maidan, where all three of them will be there, and what happens there on that will bring the final clarity. Vidya, I'll come back to you in just a short while. Keep tracking all the latest on that. Thank you very much.